students. Today we start teach the topic mitochondria. But last video in photosynthesis topic, you know that what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis, that meaning preparation of own food in the plants. Okay. That are having pigments, chlorophyll A, B, carotenoids and xanthophylls. The pigments for in chlorophyll A is the primary pigment and chlorophyll B is the accessory pigment. These also you have to watch that last video. And then photosynthesis also two types, light dependent reaction and dark dependent reactions. Light dependent reaction, that meaning in the daytime the chlorophylls are synthesized to ATP and NADPH2 to the light energy, and then dark reaction utilized to the ATP and NADPH2 to the light reactions and utilized to synthesize to the carbohydrate. This is for in light and dark reactions. And then factor affecting also you have to know that factor affecting that are in temperature, light and water is also factor affecting of the photosynthesis. Now I should teach about the topic mitochondria. Mitochondria is the cell organelles. This is for in filamentous and oval, elongated in the size of the cell organ, in the size. In mitochondria, Kolliker in 1857, Kolliker the first discovered to the mitochondria. Kolliker first discovered into the mitochondria in 1857. Second one, the mitochondrial structure. Second one, mitochondrial structure of mitochondria, that are for in three subdivision. First one is mitochondrial membrane. First you have to study for the structure of mitochondria in mitochondrial membrane. You should draw the diagram also and take down the notes also. Mitochondrial membrane. The mitochondria having a two membrane. One is outer membrane. Another one is inner membrane. Outer membrane, it's a permeable membrane. Outer membrane, it's a smooth permeable membrane. Outer membrane made up of enzyme, protein and lipids. Enzymes, protein and lipids. And inner membrane is the semi-permeable membrane. Outer membrane is the permeable membrane and inner membrane is the semi-permeable membrane. And the inner membrane is the semi-permeable membrane. It regulates to the in and out of the cell molecules, and then the inner membrane is made up of enzyme, 80% of enzyme and lipids. Mitochondrial membrane is two type of membrane, outer membrane and inner membrane. Outer membrane is permeable membrane and it's made up of enzyme, protein and lipids. And inner membrane is semi-permeable membrane. It is made up of 80% of enzymes and lipids. These are mitochondrial membranes. And cristae. Cristae is the inner membrane finger-like projection is known as cristae. The finger-like projection is known as cristae. The inner membrane or cristae is present to the inner membrane. The inner membrane finger-like projection is known as cristae. Finger-like projection is known as cristae. Okay. Then the cristae is having a small tennis rocket-like structure that is known as oxiosomes. The third one are F1 particles. F1 particles. Oxiosomes or F1 particles. This is for you. F1 particle. This is the tennis rocket shaping F1 particle. You should draw this diagram also. Two parts, F1 particle and star. This is for in F1 particle or oxiosomes. This shape in tennis rocket-like structure. It is it mainly synthesis of ATP. Mainly synthesis of ATP. And then next one is matrix. Matrix of mitochondria. It's made up of only cytoplasm. The enzymes are having enzymes, more enzymes and tRNA and DNA also. Matrix are having enzymes, so much of enzymes and the tRNAs and the DNA and the ribosomes also have. It's clear? Okay. In our DNA, mainly in the mitochondria, energy currency of the cell. That meaning synthesis of ATP. So you have to tell mitochondria, its other name is powerhouse of the cell. Powerhouse of the cell or ATP factory of the cell. What is mean by ATP? Note this also, you write down the notes. Take down the notes. Adenosine triphosphate. And ADP. Adenosine diphosphate. And one more, I'll draw the diagram. nicotinamide, adenine, dinucleate, phosphate. FADP, flavin, adenine, dinucleate, phosphate. This is for the full form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, and the ADP, adenosine diphosphate, and the NADP, nicotinamide adenine dinucleate phosphate, and the FADP, flavin adenine dinucleate phosphate. Take down the notes. Next one. Mitochondria is one of the structure and the function of the, now you read it. This is for the cell organelle, cellular respiration organelle is mitochondria. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, energy currency of the cell. Mitochondria spherical in elongated oval in shape of the mitochondria. The mitochondria, inner structure of the mitochondria, outer membrane. You know that outer membrane, permeable membrane, and inner membrane having a cristae. Inner membrane finger-like projection is known as cristae. The cristae is having F1 particle. This is for in F1 particle oxysomes, and the oxysomes are prepared to the ATP into the cell. ATP due to the cell energy. Enzymes matrix is filled with enzymes, water and other molecules of DNA and tRNA. Mitochondria are the site of cellular respiration, which finally generate the fuels of the cell's activities. And cell division also, mitochondria will be help to the cell division. This is what the structure of mitochondria. Mitochondria is their own DNA, ribosomes, and can make their own protein also. So you clear about that structure of mitochondria? Yes or no? Mitochondria that are having a two membrane, and the inner membrane, that finger-like projection is known as cristae, and the cristae is made up of F1 particle. That F1 particles is synthesized to the ATP and due to the cell parts. Then now you study about the function of mitochondria, that are having three functions of mitochondria. Next topic, function of mitochondria. First one, it can be made up of ATP. ATP is one of the energy currency of the cells. So you have to tell mitochondria is other name, powerhouse of the cell. Powerhouse of the cell. Or ATP factor. And second one, regulate the normal concentration. Regulate the normal concentration of the cell. Concentration of the cell. And third one, maintain mitochondria maintain the cell. Mitochondria maintain the metabolic activities. Metabolic activities. Maintain the metabolic activities. Powerhouse of the cell or ATP factory, regulate the normal concentration and maintain the metabolic activity of the cell. These are the 3 points of function of mitochondria. And then next, types of respiration. Types of respiration. Respiration is commonly in the plant and animals. It's 2 types of respiration. One is aerobic. Another one is anaerobic. Aerobic meaning presence of oxygen, anaerobic meaning absence of oxygen. First you have to see aerobic respirations. Aerobic respirations is the mitochondria is the cellular respiration organelles. In aerobic respirations, that oxygen and carbon dioxide to accelerate to the complex food molecule. Accelerate to the complex food molecules using to the oxygen, carbon dioxide, and then water and the energy is fully involved to the respiration, that is known as aerobic respirations. The overall reaction C6H12O6 plus 6 molecule of oxygen and form 6 molecule of carbon dioxide and 6 molecule of water plus ATP. This is for energy. This is the overall reactions of aerobic respiration. In the aerobic respirations, in the plants and animals both, 3 steps are involved. 3 steps are involved. One is glycolysis, and then next one Krebs cycle, and third one electron transport chain. Now first I will explain the glycolysis. Please note the formula. Okay, glycolysis. Glycolysis, it is occur in cytoplasm. Now I will draw diagram. Please note the diagram. Imagine this is for plant cell that is having mitochondria. In plant cell, this is for cytoplasm. carbon molecule of glucose. 6 carbon molecule of glucose. In the glycolysis cycle, it's occur into the cytoplasm. It's occur into the cytoplasm. The 6 molecule of glucose converted to the 2 molecule of 3 carbon molecule of pyruvic acid. Pyruvic acid. Glycolysis, that meaning it's occur into the cytoplasm. 6 molecule of glucose is converted into the 3 molecule of pyruvic acid. 3 molecule of pyruvic acid. This is for glycolysis reaction. It commonly aerobic and anaerobic both stages are going the reaction glycolysis. And then next one, Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle occurs in mitochondria. Krebs cycle occurs in mitochondria matrix. Mitochondria matrix. In that time, the 2 pyruvic acid is converted and due to the so much of ATP, and then the ATP is generated and due to the other cell organization, that is for in Krebs cycle. The Krebs cycle involved to oxygen plus carbon dioxide and water and coenzymes also involved to the reaction. So you have to tell the other name of Krebs cycle is tri-carboxylic cycle. Tri-carboxylic cycle. So other name of Krebs cycle is known as tri-carboxylic cycle. Is it clear for you? You should draw the diagram. This one, you notice that. So Krebs cycle is going on to the, it's occurring mitochondria. But glycolysis is occurring cytoplasm. And third one is electron transport chain. Electron transport chain reaction. The electron transport chain reaction is occurring in the membrane, in between the inner membrane. In between the inner membrane. The inner membranes are having so much of electrons. The electrons move and trap to the NADPH2, FADPH2 to the Krebs cycle. Krebs cycles are produced so much of NADPH2. You know NADPH2 and FADH2. The NADH2 and FADH2 trap to the inner membrane having their electrons. The electrons are trapped to the FADH2 and the NADH2. Then that electron is converted to the ADP2 synthesize ATP. So ADP is converted to the ATP, or ATP is converted to the ADP, that is known as phosphorylation. So oxygen involved to form to the ADP to ATP. So we have to tell oxidative phosphorylation. Oxidative phosphorylation. Oxidative phosphorylation. You underline, this is one of the important name of the Krebs cycle, the aerobic respiration, oxidative phosphorylation. Oxidative phosphorylation meaning this is called page number 182 to 184. Very important. ADP to synthesize ATP, that is phosphorylation. Oxygen involved, that is meaning oxidation to the reaction. So you have to tell oxidative phosphorylation. Oxidative phosphorylations. These are aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration. Aerobic respirations are 3 stages: glycolysis, Krebs cycle, electron transport chain. Glycolysis occurs in cytoplasm and Krebs cycles occurs in mitochondria, inner of mitochondria, that meaning matrix of mitochondria, and the electron transport chains occurs in inner membrane of mitochondria. Inner membrane of mitochondria. Is it clear for you? Next one, anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration, you know, absence of oxygen. Absence of oxygen. So without oxygen in the reactions, that also having glycolysis reaction, but glycolysis reaction 6 molecule of carbon glucose is modified to 2 molecule of pyruvic acid in the aerobic respiration. But in anaerobic respiration, 6 molecule of glucose is converted into ethanol. Ethanol. This is for anaerobic respiration. This is for anaerobic respirations. And then next one, respiratory quotient. This is also very important 2 mark. So please listen to me. Respiratory quotient. Respiratory quotient, that meaning volume of carbon dioxide liberator, volume of oxygen is consumed in the respiration, that is known as respiratory quotient. Respiratory quotient, that meaning volume of carbon dioxide liberated and the volume of oxygen is consumed in the respiration, that is known as respiratory quotient. Okay students, today we are studying about mitochondria. Mitochondria, first you should read it, the membrane, 2 membrane, inner and outer membrane, and then inner membrane finger-like projection is known as cristae. The cristae is having a F1 particle. This F1 particle is synthesized to the ATP molecule. So you have to tell another name of mitochondria is powerhouse of the cell. Function of mitochondria, it's one of the powerhouse of the cell or factory of ATP. And then second function, maintain the metabolic activities, and third, regulate the normal concentration. This is what the function of mitochondria. And the next one, types of respiration. Respiration is 2 types, aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic, re-even glycolysis, Krebs cycle, electron transport chain. And then aerobic respiration and respiratory. Aerobic meaning presence of oxygen, anaerobic meaning without oxygen. And then last one, respiratory quotient. Respiratory quotient, that meaning volume of carbon dioxide liberated and volume of oxygen consumed, that ratio is known as respiratory quotient. Okay. 2 important 5 mark is having, 4 mark is having. One is structure of mitochondria. Second one, stages of respiration. These are the two important questions of the topic. Please read well. Thank you students for watching video.